Hello, welcome back to SoCal Motorcycle Services. I'm Buck, and this is part 3, the finale of the working on the 1982 Yamaha IT 250. Go back to part 1, you can see all the specs about it. But the customer's coming to pick it up today, and we made a lot of progress. Let me grab the camera and show you some of the things we've done. Okay, put a kill switch on it. So we finally have a kill switch so we can kill it without a screwdriver. Cleaned out the gas tank, installed a new petcock, cleaned and rebuilt the carburetor, mounted a new front tire. The rear tire is old, but it's still good for the dirt. Mounted the exhaust, even though the exhaust is crunchy and stuff. We're going to get a new exhaust at some point, but this one seems to be working fine, even though it's severely restricted. But we mounted it. Disregard, this is some heat wrap that I just wanted to put on the bottom of the tank just in case it gets too hot, but we'll probably remove that later. And the big it has a mount here, a mount here, and a mount here. So the thing that was the worst project was the airbox was all broken and we needed to get a new one. So we got a new used one that is actually in fantastic shape. The problem is it's so shoehorned in there. I'm talking about this airbox. You have to remove the shock mount here, drop the swing arm all the way down when the bike is raised up. Then you have to remove the 3.5 foot long shock completely from the bike. And that's just a problem because the shock is so wide, it's in a channel. You have to finagle it out and take off the shock reservoir. But after we put it all back together again, fit great, and it's just a pain. It's like they put the airbox in before they built the bike. But it is doable. It just takes some time. What else? If you recall, I got it started in the last video, part 2, but it wouldn't run off choke. Duh, didn't have an airbox. So without any kind of restricted airflow, it's going to run extremely lean. So I put in the airbox and the bike's running really good. Let's see if we can get her to start. And don't laugh at my starting procedure. It's kind of funny. Okay, so choke is on. The kickstart is so tall, you have to just really get on it. Okay, I just turned off the choke. And I'm pressing the kill button and it kills. So I took this for a ride. Let's talk about it a little bit. I took this for a ride and I can't really open it up because it was, I didn't get to take it to the dirt. But let me tell you some things about this bike. It's a wild animal. Uh, it feels angry at the world. Uh, it feels like it wants to hurt you. Uh, so it's very brutally aggressive. It just wants to beat up the world, which is fantastic because it's a fantastic bike. I cannot believe a bike with a crunched up pipe and a 1982 dirt bike is this brutally powerful. It's just, it's an untamed wild animal. The best thing I can think of, the best analogy is to compare it to a feral cat. Angry at the world, doesn't want anything to do with anybody, but you show it love and respect, and it'll love you right back. If you can have throttle control and treat this bike with respect, it'll be your favorite bike. You try to abuse it, and it'll abuse you right back. I mean, it's great, great, great. Hits the power band, and whoa, hold on. So I'm not going to ride it on camera because I really don't have a place to ride it. When my customer comes, he might ride it. I might have him do a little test ride and see if he's willing to be on camera, but we're not going to bet on that. We're going to cross our fingers. But the 1982 Yamaha IT250, awesome bike. They also make a 500 in the same exact frame with a 500 in there. I can't even imagine. I guess that would be for riding the dunes with paddles, because this thing has more power than I could ever want. And it's a beautiful bike. So there we have it. Stay tuned. And we may have him ride it, we may not. But please like and subscribe and continue watching for interesting projects like this. I promise you I have a couple projects in the pipeline that you are going to be very interested in. So it's Buck at SoCal Motorcycle Services. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Okay, so my customer is going to take it for his first ride on it, and we'll see how he does. All right, we'll let him go take it down there, and we'll give it another. We'll film some more when he comes back. It's such a loud bike. I mean, it is so loud. Okay. He killed it on the way into my parking lot to be kind to my neighbors because it's very loud. And there it is, all loaded up. This one's gonna hurt when it leaves because I really liked it. I would love to play with this thing in the desert. Look, oh God, stand here and look at how that pipe is smashed. I can't believe it's flowing anything. So the new pipe is coming, the new old pipe, because they don't make them anymore, but he's gonna get a DG. So thanks for watching and stay tuned.